one of those Bambu Lab Studio tricks that took me a little longer to figure out than I actually care to admit. Lab Studio, if you ever tried moving a model off the build plate and it keeps snapping back, don't worry, you're not doing anything wrong. I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is MakerBuildIt, where we turn ideas into projects. Did you ever want to move one of your 3D models above the build plate, but Bambu Lab Studio won't let you do it? Well, in this quick video, I'm going to show you a trick that gives you complete control of where your 3D model sits. So did you ever have an item in Bambu Lab Studio you don't want to print directly on the build plate? I know this is a benchy, so you would definitely want to print it on the build plate, but let's just say you wanted to change the the height of it, right? So if you just went in and you tried to raise it up, Bambu Lab Studio would keep snapping it right down to your plate and not allow that to happen. Now, why is that? Bambu Labs is just probably really trying to protect us from ourselves so we don't actually have failed prints. But let's just say I wanted to raise it up and put supports under it, for instance. You need to have another object on your build plate. Now, you could use a sacrificial primitive, or you could even merge two different pieces together. If, for instance, you want to assemble something inside of that. For instance, I was working on a project where I had to add some primitives for some conductive filament, and I sort of use the same technique, right? So I'm just going to add a cube as our other object. And as you see here, now I have my two objects. If I just select both of them and I right click on it and I hit merge, you'll see over here it made an assembly. Now the two pieces are sort of joined. Now I could go in here and I could click on my benchy, and when I raise it up, it doesn't automatically snap down onto the build plate. So now I could just line it up. Say, for instance, I wanted to print this benchy on top of this cube. I could just line it up, get it on top of my cube. Sorry, my mouse died. So I am doing this with a trackpad. Not the best use, but here we go. And now my benchy stays right on top of my cube. So as you can see here, it doesn't snap back to the grid. And that's because they were merged and now they are part of this assembly. I hope that saves you a little bit of frustration the next time Bambu Lab Studio thinks it knows better than you do. If there's any other Bambu Lab Studio features that are driving you crazy, let me know in the comments. For more on 3D printing, DIY, maker projects, make sure you like and follow MakerBuildIt, and remember, keep on making. Oh, and remember, sometimes the biggest 3D printing problems aren't in the printer, they're in the slicer.